Hello guys, welcome back to Code with Khan Developer. Today's topic is one of the most important foundation of CSS design because today we will learn how to use colors, how to style background, how gradient work, and very important CSS units. If you understand today's lecture properly, you will start designing real website like a pro. In CSS, let's understand colors. Colors means changing the appearance of text or element. We use it to make website beautiful and readable. For example, open your VS Code and I'm adding h1 tag inside the h1 tag hello. So style, and here I am using color property. Select h1 element and here I am using color property. Color is red. So save and check your browser refresh. Hello, our text is red. In real life understanding, think like this. HTML is black printed text. CSS color is the pen color. So we are just changing how text look, not the content. Now, guys, let's move to our next topic. Types of CSS color. Hex, RGB, HSL. All three are just different ways to represent the same color. First, understand hex. Hex is a color system that uses a hash symbol followed by six characters. For example, color hash FF0000. Start with hash, use numbers and letters. Numbers starting 0 to 9 and letters starting A to F. Represent red, green, blue in code form. Now guys, let's move to our next type, RGB. What is RGB? RGB means red, green and blue. RGB is a system where we mix light colors to create new colors. Next type, HSL. HSL means hue, saturation, lightness. It is more designer friendly color system. Color HSL 0, 100% and 50%. So hue, actual color, saturation, hue, actual color, red, blue, green. Saturation, how too strong the color is, lightness, how bright or dark it is. HSL helps you control color like editing in Photoshop. So types start with meaning. Hex, hash, code based color. RGB, light mixing system. HSL, color editing system. So guys, now I want to show you something very important in real development. In real web development, we don't memorize color codes like hex or RGB. Instead, we use color picker website. Now I will open website where we can easily choose color. Go to Google and search color picker. Wait for a second. I'm clicking on picker colors website. Now see, now see, I will select any color. Website will automatically shows hex, RGB, HSL value. I will just copy the code, save, and see output. Refresh browser. Our text color is blue. Guys, see how easy it is. I didn't memorize the color. I just picked it from website and pasted in my file. So guys, remember in real project we don't memorize colors. We use color picker tools, copy the code and paste it in CSS. This is how real developers work fast and smart. So let's move to our next topic is background color. Background color means in CSS, background color is used to change the background of an element. It fills the entire area behind text or content. For example, let's do practically and see how it works by adding div and class attribute using box. Then I am adding inside the div paragraph tag, background color. Then go to style tag. Then go to inside the style tag and select the class dot box. In the last video, we will learn how to select classes. So let's save and refresh. Check our background color text. Our background color is purple. Guys, background color is used to paint the background of any element, just like a painting a wall. Text is writing background is wall color. Changes background look works on body, button, div. So, guys, let's let's move to our next topic is gradient. First, understand what is gradient. A gradient means smooth transition between two or more colors. For example, let's do it practically and how it works. I'm adding new div and using class attribute is box 2. Then inside the div, I'm adding paragraph, linear gradient. Then go to the style tag and select class box 2. Use linear gradient. Background, linear gradient. Red, comma, yellow. Now save. See our output linear gradient. Instead of using one color, gradient mixes multiple colors smoothly. Red yellow blending effect. Think like sunset, sky color slowly changes from orange to yellow, yellow to blue. Use in modern website, make design attractive, use in buttons, banners, and backgrounds. Now, guys, let's move to our next topic is CSS units. Now, this is a core topic for layout and design. So, let's understand first pixel. Pixel means fixed size. It is a fixed size, it does not change. Like ruler scale fixed measurement. Next is percentage. Percentage depends on parent size. In parent is a big child, adjust accordingly. Like sharing pizza, 50% means half of total pizza. So next is EM. EM depends on parent element size. EM relative unit. EM depends on parent element font size. If parent size changes, EM also changes. For example, like family inheritance, child depends on parents. Next is REM unit, root-based unit. The REM depends on root element HTML size. It is more stable than EM, used in professional websites best for responsive design. Next is VH units. VH unit means viewport height. VH means full height of screen. For example, 100 VH full screen height. Next is VW unit. Next is VW unit, viewport width. VW means full width of screen. Simple. 100 VW is equal to full screen width. Guys, remember background color fills background, gradient smooth color mixing, pixel fixed size, percentage parent based, EM parent depend, REM root based, VH screen height, VW screen width. So guys, this concept are very important because color make website beautiful, background improve design, units control layout structure. Together they form the base of CSS design. I have explained only the units for now. In the upcoming lecture, we will apply them practically. Alright guys, so that's it for today's lecture. Today we learn CSS color, hex, RGB, HSL, background color, gradient and CSS unit, pixel, percentage, EM, REM, VH, VW. And we also saw everything. We also saw practical examples. So I hope now it is clear for you. Guys, don't just watch the video. Practice everything in your code editor. Try different colors and experiment with units. If you understand today's topic, you are building a strong foundation in CSS. In the next lecture, we will learn something even more interesting. So stay connected. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe.